Hello, everyone. Today, we've got some exciting news from Apple. They've just introduced a brand new bulk editing feature in the Photos app that's available across all their devices, iPhone, iPad, and Mac. This feature is a game changer, especially if you're into photography. It's like taking the power of Photoshop and Lightroom and putting it right in your pocket or on your desktop. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of this fantastic feature and share some best practices along the way. Let's dive in. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon. First, ensure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is running the latest operating system, and your Photos app is up to date. Open the Photos app. Launch the Photos app on your device. Choose a photo to edit. Select the photo you want to edit. It could be any image you'd like to use as a reference for your bulk edits. Make your edits. Edit the chosen photo to your heart's content, adjusting things like brightness, contrast, or any other enhancements you prefer. Save your changes. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap Done to save them. Copy edits. Select photos for bulk editing. Now, it's time to apply those changes to multiple photos. Select all the other photos you want to edit by tapping Select at the top right. Paste edits. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the three-dot icon. Tap on it and select Paste Edits. Boom! Your edits will now be applied to all the selected photos. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use Apple's new bulk edit feature across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It's a real time saver, especially when you have a bunch of photos that need the same touch-up. Just remember those best practices, and you'll be editing like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.